Alright, so Bitcoin is still going down. So right now, at around 66,855, and that's coming from the 120k na all-time high niya, no? So that's 50% down. Pero I would say na this is normal with Bitcoin, no? So bakit ko sinabing normal? Kasi I saw this coin coming from 60,000 down to 15,000 in just a few months, no? So and only to go back up to 120, which is the all-time high recently, no? So just a few months ago. And ito, if you are on a spot trading, this is an opportunity to do dollar cost averaging. So just buy on certain support, no? So kasi pag spot naman, buy ka lang naman diyan eh. Hanap ka lang ng pwesto, syempre dapat hindi naman random. And yun, sa mga major support areas, you can buy, and you can add on to your Bitcoin holdings. But if you're doing leverage trading, so of course, limit your expectations, and the bias is still on the downside, the sell, no? And you don't sell on random places as well. So tingnan natin yung chart kung saan nga ba tayo pwedeng maka-timing. Okay, so right now, no? So yan nga yung ating chart, no? And dito nag-plot tayo ng channel. So we're a trend follower, and that's what we're doing from the higher time frame up, then down to the our execution levels. So here, trinay na natin to. We are looking for a sell entry, and we did from the 82. Ayan, from the 82, kumita natin, no? At around 82, yan, nakapag-sell tayo, and TP hit yan. Yan, so nakapag-TP hit tayo dyan. And that was from our sell limit order. And so it went down here. So what we can expect is that we don't look for buy opportunities, even if we are expecting that this is somewhat or somehow going up, no? Check natin. Yan. So it may still go back up dito sa ating upper trend line, pero that's an opportunity for more uh, for a sell order, no? So it may another scenario na pwedeng gawin nito ni Bitcoin is that it will just consolidate around here, up and down until such time that it will touch this, no, yung upper channel in a lower price level. Okay, so it may not be a sharp rally. Yan, it may just be a consolidation and just touching this lower upper trend line. Okay, and that's where we are going to look for sell opportunities. So again, look for around 75,000 or 76,000. Then you can put your sell limit there, targeting around 60 or even 52,000. And so this is on the higher time frame. So look, it respects. And this is what I posted in my trading view. And we only look for sell orders, let it move to upper trend line or major resistance levels. And key resistance area 80 to 83, breaking below 60. We continue with the downtrend, and we are going to have a pending order. We have a pending order below 60, kasi as you can see here, 60k, yan, is a major support. Yan. Okay, so we look here. Yan, no. So this is on a 60k. Ayan, 60k, 60k. It was a previous resistance, then became a support. And now we are using that same support level here. Okay, so again, our option is that we wait for it to touch the upper trend line, this upper channel, before we look for sell opportunities. Okay, on a lower time frame, if you're if you're risky, or if you are more aggressive, no, you can look for 72. Ayan, wait for it, and then you can scalp around and look for targeting 65. Ayan, very quick lang yan. Okay, so but if you can wait, the better. Then you go for around here. Okay, so 60k is a bet. If you are doing cost averaging, 60k is a major resistance, a major support area. Ayan, so pwede nyo paglagyan dyan. Okay, so para hindi random yung paglalagay natin pag dollar cost averaging. Pero if you are on a leverage trading, which is by the way can do with Vantage Markets, yan, nandiyan lang yung ano natin, no, link natin to start trading with Bitcoin. Ayan, yan lang, very easy, and we're not overcomplicating things, no, we're following the trend. Look, yan, di ba? Just follow the trend and quick in, quick out, then you're fine. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.